I'm going to bring out. You're going to lie down here. Head goes up here. Perfect. This leg, you're going to bring it back with this leg. This shoulder is going to go backwards like that. Good. Good. Let's go back the other way. Let's check out the low back over here. Come over my way. Now you're going to turn this way. This is your first time doing a side adjustment. Next straight up. This way. You go this way. Shoulders going to go backwards. Hips are coming forward. That's a good one. Now we're going to lie on our back. You're going to be on your back. All the way on your back. I'm going to raise up. You're going to lie down on your back. Head goes up here. There you go. Not too bad for your first time. Alright, let's see how the neck is moving. Alright, real gentle. You're going to go one. That's doing pretty good there. One little stretch. We're going to make you tired. Make you tired. One little adjustment here. Relax the head. Good. Over here. Stretch. Watch up. One more thing. Keep your head relaxed. I'm going to turn you this way. That's it. Okay. That's good. Let me lower you down. You can come on up.
He's gonna just like, he'll just look up like, jeez.